I know. Hindi ko na rin alam bakit ganito na.
So may assisting physician? May gusto na pala siya?
Meron talaga.
May facility?
Kinlose nila, sir. Kinlose.
Ayaw mo talaga
Decide siya.
yung ambulance no? Deadline.
Decide siya on her own. Pwede mo kami mag-request ng cameras.
Ano na?
Pasukin ng general yung mga cameras.
Gusto mo? Palapitin ng mga media?
Apo.
Sige.
Lapit na. Go na. Go, go, go. Double time, double time.
Ding! I-release mo ang media.
Release, 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 release. Go. Go na, sabi ni General. Lapit na. Si General lang nagsabi.
Ayaw ng hospital.
Hindi
Ayaw
na,
ng hospital.
hanggang dyan lang naman yung camera eh.
Ayaw ng hospital.
Hanggang dyan lang sa inyo. Huwag nyo lang i-block yung side ng camera.
Alis na lang dito ang mga kwan para
Hanggang
makita
dyan
ng
lang, para
camera.
makita ng camera.
Sige mo.
I-clear natin ito yung para makita ng camera.
Veterans lang. Considering that as requested, Attorney Zoraida Lopez has been examined by the physicians and cleared to the St. Luke's Medical Center, Quezon City. You are directed to transfer Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Medical Center, Quezon City. Ma'am, si VP, and anybody of your choice. May text tayo galing kay SILG Remulla. Ma'am, ang sabi ni SILG Remulla,
yan din ang sabi niyo, tapos kinuha niyo ako kanina, dadalhin niyo ako sa correctional.
hindi ma'am, tapos na yun.
Totoo.
To General Nick Torre from SILG John Vic Remulla, transfer of Attorney Zoraida Lopez to Veterans Memorial Center. Dear General Torre, as verbally agreed upon, the transfer of Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Hospital shall be complied with respect to the House directive to transfer her. Please accord all security measures necessary to ensure her safety. Furthermore, please allow the untethered access of her personal physicians during her confinement. The attorney will also be accorded full visitation rights of the following people: Senator Bato de la Rosa, Senator Amy Marcos, Vice President Sara Duterte. Please be advised that all pertinent hospital safety guidelines should be followed, as well as hospital policies on visitation practices. For strict and immediate compliance, signed SILG John Vic Remulla. Ma'am, assurance yun.
I don't need your assurance anymore. That's what they told me in the house. And the way it brought me.
Dito, maraming witness. Dito naman sasakay ka naman sa sasakyan ni
Pumayag
VP.
sila sa media, pumayag sila kay Senator Bato.
Ma'am, sasakay po
Pumayag
kayo.
sila sa akin.
Sasakay po kayo sa sasakyan ni VP. Kasama niyo po si VP sa sasakyan. She will be transporting you to Veterans Memorial Center.
Pumayag sila.
Hindi ka naman iiwanan ni VP, ma'am.
Sure yan, Nick, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Promise.
Of course, sir. Nandiyan naman si VP. They are just in one car. Okay, ma'am? Ito.
Padaan mo na, padaan na. Padaan na, padaan na. Ay, alala yun dyan.
Hindi, baka ma'am. Paano, ma'am? Paano?
Dito kami sa likod mo, ma'am. Huwag kang mag-alala.
Muna ako ha. Next.
Nicole.
Ano ba, te?
Lalay mo, lalay. Dito, dito. Bangin yun ay. Nakalhook na. Ano mo?
Hindi ito convict.
Ma'am, dadalhin po namin sa St. Luke's. Dadalhin din po namin sa St. Luke's.
Kanina, sinabihan kayo sa St. Luke's. Dinala nyo
Hindi
dito.
ko po alam. Ibang driver po yun.
Nako, sir.
Ibang driver po yun. Hindi.
Saan yan pupunta, sir? Nakita mo yung kondisyon niya? Paano tatakbo yan? Sumunod kayo, sir. Sir, sumunod kayo ng lawful orders. Huwag yung alam nyo na injustice na siya sa mga tao. Huwag kayong